How to use ばかりに simply because, all because.
ダナ先生、しっかり。
すまん、勝った。娘を助けたいばかりに私は挙句に娘を救うこともできず、自業自得だよ。
ばかりに is used to point out that a negative result occurred solely because of a specific factor. It emphasizes that if that particular condition hadn't been present, the undesirable outcome may have been avoided. So it's all because of dun dun dun. Like here in the 7 deadly sins. All because he wanted to save his daughter, 娘を助けたいばっかりに something bad happened. Here implying that if he didn't try and save her, perhaps that bad situation wouldn't have happened.
娘を助けたいばかりに私は挙句に娘を救うこともできず。
Or like here in near reincarnation, is it all my fault? All because I sought perfection. 完全を求めたばかりに. So here, ばかりに is used to express that if perhaps they didn't seek that perfection, this wouldn't have happened. So it's all because they did that. The thing marked before ばかりに.
私さえいなければ争わずに済んだのかな。私のせいなのか。完全を求めたばかりに。
Or like here in triangle strategy, all because their heart was weak. 心が弱かったばかりに. They weren't able to save the people they should have.
私は自分の心が弱かったばかりに助けるべき人を助けられなかった。
Or like here in Kingdom Hearts, apologizing that if they weren't so inexperienced, they could have gone and helped.
もっと早く助けに行ければよかったのですが、自分が未熟なばかりにすみませんでした。そしてありがとうございました。
Or finally, like here in Tales of Symphonia, all because they believed his words and were sent to the ranch, some people have ended up in a bad way.
黙れ！何がお前のやり方だ！あんたの奥さんは確かにかわいそうさ。でもな、あんたの言葉を信じて牧場に送られたばかりに、あんたの奥さんのようにされた人だっているかもしれないんだぞ！
Next, we have 2 testing sections to help reinforce the language in your mind. The first stage will test your understanding of the English meaning of the grammar, with the second stage testing your Japanese understanding. While this is quite simple as there's only one grammar point to focus on, this will still help you familiarize with how the grammar is used in the sentence, reinforce the meaning, and even give you a chance to visualize using it yourself with the help of the example sentences. Try reading the answer out loud to yourself before the timer runs out to help reinforce the grammar use in your head, as well as give you a little bit of Japanese listening practice. Good luck and have fun! ばかりに simply because, all because.
ばかりに。娘を助けたいばかりに。
娘を助けたいばかりに私は挙句に娘を救うこともできず。
完全を求めたばかりに。私のせいなのか。完全を求めたばかりに。自分の心が弱かったばかりに。私は自分の心が弱かったばかりに助けるべき人を助けられなかった。自分が未熟なばかりに。
自分が未熟なばかりにすみませんでした。そしてありがとうございました。
All because I just wanted to save my daughter.
娘を助けたいばかりに私は挙句に娘を救うこともできず。
All because I sought perfection.
私のせいなのか。完全を求めたばかりに。
All because my heart was weak.
私は自分の心が弱かったばかりに、助けるべき人を助けられなかった。
All because I was inexperienced.
自分が未熟なばかりにすみませんでした。そしてありがとうございました。
Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you get more familiar with this grammar point. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment letting me know what you think about the video. If there's any particular pieces of Japanese you'd like to see covered on this channel, let me know in the comment section. An enormous shout out to the supporters of the channel. I absolutely would not be able to make these videos without you guys, so thank you so much. If you'd like to support the channel as well as join the Game Gengo Discord, then feel free to join as a member either through the Game Gengo website or through Patreon. Not only can you help support the channel, but you can also get help with your Japanese any time of the day, hang out and chat. People often stream in the Discord learning Japanese together, and you can even vote on upcoming videos. Thank you so much to everyone who supports the channel, whether as a member or simply by liking and watching the video. Thanks so much guys, I hope you're enjoying learning Japanese, and as always, I'll see you all again in the next video. See ya.